traders, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going over pound CAD in a trade that I took, so let's go right over it. Alright, so if you can see the market structure of this pair is down. The entry that I had here was I believe right around this area here off the break of structure right there. I initially wanted a entry here, but I did not see that trade earlier, so I took this trade, and this price was coming back, and the market for pullbacks I started adding more. I believe I added another one right around here. So my target is this dip here, because I believe that in the markets of this structure, price will end up taking out these lows as it did here. As it pulls up, take out that one, and pulls up and take out this one. So I believe that price will, if it doesn't take out this low, it's going to initially come to closer to this zone here. So that is my price target for this pair, and it's pretty straightforward. You know, this has been in a down decline for a while. I will say that if this does not reach here, I believe that this pair has historical support at this area, the price. So if you look here, you can see that support level right here. So I think it could reach it, but that's just something that you always want to be aware of whenever you're taking trades. You always want to look and see where price has historically been acting off of, whether it's resistance or support. In this case, it is support, so I do have that level in mind, but that would not change my bias. I am currently, like I said, I'm currently in this trade, and I'm taking it to this low, and maybe even if it gets to this low and it takes it out, I could do something where price could break, and then I could maybe take close profits or whatever, partial profits, and I could let the smaller amounts ride as far as I see fit. So yeah, so this is a pretty straightforward trade. We just had a very big pullback towards the trend, which is my kind of entries as I ride the trend and get in at the lows of the change or the break of structure that favors the majority of the market. Okay, so if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.